Hi, my name is Stephen Cox and I'm the Managing Director of ShareNavigator.com. Our goal is very simple. It's to help you to make better investment decisions in the stock market. Before we go on in this free tutorial, I'd just like to let you know that if you go to our website, www.sharenavigator.com, you will be able to attend a number of free stock market training sessions. We have a number of them online, which you're entitled to log on and register totally free of charge, so we do hope you avail of that. This is the start of a series of a number of videos. They're going to be 2 to 3 minutes in length, and it's really designed to take the beginner right through from trading online right through to different option trades that we can help you place, etc. like that. So without further ado, what we're going to do today, we're going to show you how to open up an online trading account. We're going to teach you how to buy and sell shares online, and we're all going to teach you how to do that risk-free. So you can open up an account and practice with virtual trading money. And we're just going to explain that a little bit further right now. Okay. So first things first, in order to open up an online trading account, you've got to go to our website, which is ShareNavigator.com. You should be seeing that on your screen right now. And as we scroll down the website, first things first, this is where you can register for your free online masterclasses. Okay. These times here, folks, are all based on London time, so if you're in Asia or the US or in Australia, New Zealand, etc., you've got to take your time difference from there, okay? If you want to open up an online trading account, folks, very simple. Just click on the Options Express link here, and you're going to be brought into an application page. That'll take you 3 to 4 minutes, but once you have done that, folks, then you're then entitled to start trading risk-free in the stock market, and we're going to show you that now. So we'll click right into our virtual trading platform. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is one of our training platforms. We just named it Aiden. And as you can see, we have $104,000 here to trade with. This is monopoly money, folks. If we lose every red cent of that, we can just press reset and get our money back. It's fantastic. Okay, this is where we recommend all beginners start. Please, please, please do not start with your own money if it's your first time investing. Okay, you need to start trading and practicing first. So as you can see, we have an account positions tab here, and we do these sessions all over the world, and these are some of the trades that people have placed at our training sessions in the past. You can see AIB, America Online, Elan, IBM, Intel, etc. And there's a number of option trades there. Don't worry about them for now. That's for another lesson, which we'll do in approximately lesson 5 or 6. But today is really all about trading online. So first of all, we're going to place a trade. We're going to go into the Trade tab, select Stock, we'll go Trading Stock, and we're brought into this virtual order screen. Okay. So it's virtual, it's not your real money as such. And a company we're all familiar with, I think, is Microsoft. And all I have to do is type in the first 3 letters, and it gives me a number of options down here, and I can see Microsoft as the second option, so it choose Microsoft. And you can see its ticker symbol is MSFT. And the ticker symbol, folks, is a very shortened version of the company name. That's all it is, okay? We're going to use an action here. We're going to buy the stock, and we're going to buy 300 shares. Now, here's a very, very cool tool with this particular platform. You can choose a share amount or a dollar amount to trade. So if you had $5,000 to invest, you could actually click the dollar amount tab here and type in 5,000 in the quantity, and then the system will automatically calculate how many shares you can buy for $5,000. Not all platforms do that, so that's very good. The next tab I want to bring to your attention is the Price tab, and this is pretty important. We're just going to spend 20 seconds on this, and we're going to look at the first 2 options. The first option you have here is Market. What does that mean? It means if you send in this Microsoft order to the market for 300 and you select Market Price, well, it does exactly what it says in the tin. It's going to fulfill you at the very, very current market price. So if you do select market, be aware that whatever the market is currently offering for Microsoft, that's what you're going to pay for it. We would much prefer if you chose the limit order, and this is very, very good because now you can dictate to the market what price you're prepared to pay. So just at this stage, I'm going to bring you over to the right-hand side of the screen, over to the Quotes tab. I'm circling that right now for you. And as you can see, Microsoft was trading the last price at $24.27. Its current asking price, this is what the market is asking you to pay, is $24.28. And the current bid price is $24.26. So what's that? If you own the share of Microsoft, if you wanted to sell it, you would be asked to pay $24.26. If you wanted to buy it, you'd be asked to pay $24.28. The difference between the two prices in this case, folks, is 2 cents. And the market maker or the specialist gets that 2 cents. So imagine there's 2 cents here. They basically pay top dollar to get a seat in an exchange to be able to create buy and sell prices for Microsoft. And that's how they make their money. It doesn't sound like an awful lot, but when you consider Microsoft trades about 50 million shares a day, and it all adds up in the end. So let's pretend we're only prepared to pay $20 for Microsoft. We select limit, we click in 20, and now what's going to happen is when that order goes into the system, unless Microsoft's share price falls to 20, your order is not going to be filled. Okay? The next tab is duration. And you have two options here. You have a day order or a good until cancelled. If you select a day order, folks, that order will only stay in the trading system for 1 trading day. If you select good until cancelled, it does exactly what it says in the tin. The order will stay in the system until it is cancelled. Or sorry, it will stay in the system until it's filled, and then the order will be cancelled thereafter. Okay? So what we want to do now is preview the order. This is like your last chance saloon. Are you sure you want to make this trade? And we get into the virtual stock order preview screen. And as you can see, the system is asking you, are you sure you want to buy 300 Microsoft shares at a limit price of 20? And this day we only have the order in for a day. Down here is what you have your estimated commission. So that's the stockbroker's commission for placing the trade. If we're sure with that, we press OK. But we can also cancel and we can change the order if we want. But we're happy, we're going to place the order. And now we see that the virtual stock order is being placed. So it's Saturday today, folks. On Monday at 2:30 New York time, that order will go into the system straight away. You can see your order number, etc. like that. And what we can do from here, we can check the order status. And when we go into the order status page, you can see right at the end, hey presto, there's our order from Microsoft, all down the end here. Okay? And folks, assuming that you own Microsoft shares and you wanted to sell them, you would just go straight, exactly through the exact same process, except you would select sell instead of buy. That's how simple it is to buy and sell shares online. This is a virtual trading platform. You can trade risk-free on the stock markets using monopoly money to get some experience of. This is excellent for beginners or for people looking to take their very first steps. This is where Share Navigator recommends you start before you put your own hard-earned cash on the line. And again, how can you open up an online trading account? Go to the Share Navigator website and click on the Options Express link. So finally, thank you very much for listening. Again, please register on www.sharenavigator.com if you want to attend some free stock market training sessions. We do them all online, so you can register from anywhere in the world, and we'll be delighted to help you. Thanks and bye for now.